Kung mabaga yung paa nyo guys, this is highly recommended.
Realize ko na minsan sa ibang people mahirap bumitaw ng magagandang salita. Ganda yung vibes dito guys kasi ano lang, para mga magbabarkada lang yung naluluto. Kahit mayaman kayo guys, huwag niyong tularan yun guys. Ha? Sobrang yaman nila guys.
Good morning guys, good evening, good afternoon kung saan kayo. And it's our last day here dito sa Japan. And we are about to go out, head out soon. I think last minute shopping. Anyways, check out natin yung Shibuya crossing ulit. We're still in Shibuya. Decided to stay here the last leg of my trip. Para naman ma-check out natin yung area. Check out natin ulit kasi last time we were there, parang medyo maga yung yung paa ko nun. And update nga pala. Bumili ako ng mga ganito. Let me see what the box is. Ito yung box. Kung mabaga yung paa nyo guys, this is highly recommended. Meron siyang anti-inflammatory NSAID action. Ganun. Parang ano siya, ano ba to, haplas? Or like you just, parang liquid. Mabilis mag-dry. Tapos may menthol feeling din siya. Tapos nag-patch na rin ako ng ganito. I bought a bunch. Dalhin ko sa Amerika kasi mahal to sa Amerika. Yeah, it is very effective. On my third day, medyo wala na yung maga sa paa ko. I usually have this kind of effect sa paa ko pag palagi akong lalakad, over-workout, over-stress yung paa ko. And yeah, virtually, andyan pa rin, konti. Like, just slight discomfort. Pero, range of motion is getting back there. I'm just gonna take it easy. Focus more on my dominant, my stronger foot muna ngayon. But yeah, basically, yan na yung effect. Tapos, dami ko natae from last night, nag-buffet tayo. And tara, samahan niyo ako. I'm so glad, parang okay na tayo on our last day of our Japan trip. And tara, let's go. Na-underestimate ko yung weather ngayon guys. Nasa 50 degrees ngayon pero mas malamig kasi it's very windy. Dadalawang isip ako kung mag-aano ako. Baba ako na isang jacket. Ano ba to? Anyways, palakad na tayo sa may Shibuya Scramble. Doon yung banda. Kuha muna tayo ng coffee. Kasi nga, medyo kulang pa ako sa caffeine action eh. Siguro pupunta na tayo sa may Starbucks doon sa may overlooking sa Shibuya Crossing para may footage tayo na maganda. Meron ko lang para view yung Shibuya Crossing dito sa sa may parang overpass dito sa Shibuya Mark City. Second floor. Yun. Diyan dito ba na? Tapos you can look at people crossing from over here. It's not as close as a Starbucks dun sa sa may second floor yung sikat na Starbucks. Pero pwede na rin. They're gonna cross a bit in a bit. Without any footage, and you should be fine. Yeah, people are starting to cross now. There are so many buses. Yan yung airport limousine bus. Okay. Now we know where to go. And people crossing. Cha-cha! Tip para tumingin so you guys can get a footage. Maganda. Parang aerial view din dito. Better than going to the Starbucks and then buying something. I think that's just my opinion. Pero sa Starbucks din nata, mas up close din. But yeah, you can zoom your phone here if you want. Guys, people are crossing here. Daming tao. Ano kayang percentage nito mga turista? Dami nila. May pila kaya dun sa Hachiko na yung Starbucks that I told you about. Ay,
Are we gonna cross? I think we should cross. Punta tayo sa Chico ulit. Maybe we can get a picture. Let's go! Oh, daming tao sa Chico. Akala ko maaga tayo, but ang dami pa rin tao. There's so many people here. I think a lot of them are tourists. Yeah. Yeah, people are lining up for Chico. Doon siya. Dito yung nakapag-picture sa kanya. Only picture from afar. Oh, there's a line. Look. Meron pa rin line. Like, dang, people are actually lining up. Mas mahaba pa since last time we were here. So never mind. Punta tayo sa coffee shop. Donkey. Ito yung na-notice ko sa Japan din. Meron mga smoking areas. Ano siya? Like, if you are gonna smoke, you have to stay in that specific zone. Which really helps a lot. Kasi nga, some people are not gonna be okay if you are smoking and or around them, di ba? So, kasi ako din mismo, parang if I smell like usok, smoke, parang naano ako, nahihilo. So, alam mo na, that actually helps. It's very mind. I'm looking for cosmetics kasi ang tawag dito. I might buy more sunscreen. Punta natin yung coffee shop, mamaya tayo mag-bargain ito. Guys, timing lang guys, yung coffee shop na gusto ko, tapat lang siya ng Donkey na pupuntahan ko. Ano yung Donkey, oh? This coffee shop dito lang. Dito. Ito. Dito lang. Pangalan niya is, hindi ko alam. Ang pangalan niya is Sarutahiko Coffee. Hi. Konnichiwa. Can I one matcha?
Okay. Do you want ice cream or matcha?
Yeah, ice cream on it.
Okay.
And then a chocolate croissant. Can I have it? Yeah, for you. Can I have it heated up?
Okay.
Warm, just warm.
Okay.
And I'll pick card. So I got chocolate croissant and a matcha latte with ice cream on it. Might as well just indulge myself. Yeah, this is my favorite croissant. Yeah, chocolate croissant. When I was in Paris, I got like a good 8 of these for 10 throughout my trip. Every morning I always get like cafe mocha and chocolate croissant to pair it with. I don't know, it feels good, especially if there's Nutella in it. And the flakiness of the bread. Yeah, and then my order totaled to 1,365 yen, which I got a notification from my bag that it amounted to $8.82, which is not bad. You guys, dumating na yung ano ko is yung matcha. Look at that. Wow, really? Try natin, no? Ang sarap yung matcha. Yan. So, meron daw ice cream. Ito na sa mag-rita. Ano siya guys? Hokkaido ice cream. Let's try that. So, medyo malamig na siya. Wala masyadong chocolate guys. Compared nung last chocolate croissant na kinain ko, yung slice hampa, mas maraming ano din. Hindi masyadong maraming yung chocolate. It's alright. Try naman tayo ice cream. Guys, we finally got out of Don Quixote. I actually got stopped from recording because He's not allowed. It's not allowed to take pictures or videos or whatever. But anyway, some people got away with it, but I want to just respect the, because I didn't know, but yeah, deleted the footage and all. But yeah, it took me like almost 2 hours getting around this store because it was a mega Don Quixote, so it's a lot bigger than the regular Don Quixote. And yeah, I had a very interesting time there. They have a whole section cosmetics for men, yung cosmetics for women. Dami guys, like on the first floor it was all of bestsellers. And not gonna lie, mas mahal sa Don Quixote. But wala lang akong choice kasi everything was under in one roof. So nilubos ko na lang. And I think all in all, this is my second time in Don Quixote. Last time I was at one earlier in my trip. I think napagastos ako mga $145. Doon na lahat ng mga cosmetics na binili ko for Cody, Cindy, and Cindy. Tapos this time around, bumili ako cosmetics for me, and it amounted to $135. So siguro lahat during my trip, Don Quixote costed me around roughly mga almost 50,000 yan. So nasa ano yan, nasa $300, mga ganun level, $290, mga ganun, $300 to $290. Dito tayo magla-lunch. Nakahanap na ako ng lunch place. It's called Tamago Ken. Ito Omo rice. Ito yung ano nila, ito yung serve nila. Daming tao. Hintay-hintay tayo kasi I gotta pee. Restroom muna tayo. And guys, mag-ingat-ingat kayo sa Don Quixote kasi mapapagastos talaga kayo. And they're a lot more expensive, so I highly suggest na kung kunwari bumili ako ng limited edition ng mga matcha. It was yung mga Sakura flavor, Mount Fuji, parang 1,400 siya doon. Tapos sa Osaka guys, nasa 1,000 siya. Nasa 1,000 yan. 1,000, 1,200. Dito nasa 1,450 yan. So kung sa inyo gusto niyo makatipid, kung makahanap kayo ng mas mura pa ng ganong price, bilhin nyo na guys. Pero wala akong choice kasi dito na nga yung last leg ng trip namin. Akala ko nga mapamura ako dito. Maganda din yung selection ng watches nila, mura pa. Ay 20% discount. So yun, bumili na lang ako. And anyways, ano pa? Yan nga, total nasa trip ito, mga nasa $300 to $90 yung gastos ko. And dami ko na ding binili. I also bought like snacks. Meron chicken skin snacks. So I'm so excited for that one. Kainin ko na lang doon pagdating ko sa US kasi you're not allowed to open it. Kasi nilalagyan nila sa sealed bags. Guys, my lunch, last lunch for my Japan trip. I got pork cutlet, omo rice, and then some curry sauce. Yun guys, tapos na ako mag-lunch. Doon ako kumain dun sa Tamago Ken, yung omo rice place. Siguro nasa 7 out of 10. Mali pala, hindi pala yun yung last lunch ko. Last lunch ko pala bukas. Kasi check out kami 11 and we have one more lunch. Tapos yun, 7 out of 10. Pero highly recommend kasi ang sarap siya overall. Tapos mga nasa $10 na nagastos ko. 1,690 yan. They take cash or credit. Cash or credit. Meron din ako isang naisip while eating lunch. Kasi nga, one of the lessons na natutunan ko throughout sa life ko is how nice it is to just give out compliments. Like genuine compliments naman. Hindi naman yung compliments na gawa-gawa lang or para lang may masabi. Kasi na-realize ko na may mga tao pala sa buhay ko na it really is so hard for them to give out compliments. Dun parang or anong tawag dun? Give flowers where it's due. Yun yung isa sa mga realizations. May ibang clients ako na parang hindi sila namimigay ng compliments kasi or like hindi naman compliments din, like nice things to say. Like it is so hard for them to say nice things kasi nga one of the reasons din is like they hardly get any, and it's sometimes not to their own fault then. So yun na-notice ko. So I made it a point to myself na to be conscious of the things that I say. Kasi nga, I mean, it's not all the time. I'm human din. It's not all the time na masasabi ko magaganda. May minsan din, like, I let go of things na, like, minsan din na, there are words that come out of my mouth na masama din. So, pero yun, like, parang, realize ko na, minsan sa ibang people, mahirap na bumitaw ng magagandang salita. Pero dito na sa hotel, guys. Pasok muna tayo. Tapos kwentuhan more. Dito na tayo sa hotel. Ay, pagod ako. Yun, guys. What's up? Ano na kami? Papunta na kami sa omakase dinner namin. Last dinner sa Japan. Punta kami sa Sushi Tokyo 10. Naano ko to na I found out about this from watching the Chewy show, the Chewy ewan ko, basta the Chewy show, yung Filipino vlogger. Dito siya kumakain ng omakase. Maganda dito kasi siguro pang-apat ko na tong omakase. Pang-apat, pang-lima. That's a lot of times yung omakase is mahal eh. So I think this one is like 9,900. So mas mahal yung mas mahal, pero hindi naman to Michelin stars, okay lang. Mas mahal yung buffet natin kahapon. Pero sabi ni Choi Show, sulit daw to. So one thing na parang inano nila is parang maganda daw yung experience, hindi kayo mag-wear ng perfume. Kasi nakaka-apekto daw ng taste buds kasi sa sushi, yung mga ganun. Mura dito yung nila, katsu nila. Set na kaya to? Yung kinain namin sa Anyways, hinahanap na namin yung restaurant. Saan ba dito? Third floor daw eh. Ito siya guys. So, mag-check-in lang tayo. Dito sa labas. Meron parang counter sila. Ewan ko kung papasok ba tayo bago the time. Pero dito lang siya sa sa may Osaka Station. Lapit lang talaga. Mga 1 minute, 2 minute walk. 1 minute, 2 minute walk din sa hotel namin. Ito yung sa labas niya. Para hindi kayo mawala. Craft in Beer Tap. Sana mabusog kami dito. Ito yung logo niya, guys. So, Sushi Tokyo 10. Guys, dito na kami. We're finally here. This is what the inside looks like. So you're sitting at the counter and then the chefs are right in front of you. And the whole experience is only an hour. So I booked 7:30 to 8:30. So sana mag-enjoy tayo. So guys, meron sa drink menu dito. So sabi nila hindi daw included. So nakalimutan ko maybe during my reservation. Hindi ko alam kung sabi ko no dun. So I'm not sure if included siya. So tignan nyo na lang sa website kung included pa siya. Minsan siya minsan mahal talaga. Shellfish soup. Cheers. So guys, sa smell pa lang para siyang balot broth, 'di ba? Balot broth. Balot broth. Pero balot broth yun siya. Mackerel. Cheers. Corn beef, Carne Norte. I-torch, i-torch. Tosino. Shit. Ganda guys. Gwapa-gwapa. Ilang years kaya sila nag-practice guys? Tofu and monkfish liver daw. Kaya lang talaga eh. Monkfish liver. Monkfish liver. Hindi ko maintindihan yung ano, tofu. Yung monkfish liver. Oh my god. Tofu. Oh my god. May radish yung... Oy, aba, imo pipi. Imo pipi. May abalaw ni guys. Hindi ko ma-describe yung ano, yung monkfish. Weird na masarap yung texture, weird yung texture. Para kang ano, hindi ko alam, hindi ko ma-describe. Di ba sa yun na yun? Yun eh? Yeah, say hi to my 27 followers. Let's go! Feeling ko requirement talaga guys. Nakalbo sila. And guys, Spanish mackerels. Let's go. Cheers, cheers. Oh. Rapo eh. Big C. Big C. Texas, baby. Do you get a lot of Americans here? Americans eating here? Americans eating here? So. Yeah. Ano? Texas Ranger. No, Philippines or Filipinos. Yeah. America. Yeah, Texas. Yeah. Parang ano lang sila guys, yung mga chef parang magbabarkada lang guys. Feeling ko nag-inuman sila one time tapos nalasing, tapos sabi na, alam mo yung maganda? Sabi siguro na, mag-ano lang tayo guys, gawa tayo ng kumakase. Kani sila na. What is this? Steamed egg guys, steamed egg. Steamed egg daw guys, steamed egg. Cheers. Init. Ay! Sarap. Parang maasim siya guys. Uso sa kanila ito guys, steamed egg. Iba yung steamed egg sa sa Japan, sa steamed egg sa sa Korea. Ang steamed egg sa Japan parang tofu guys. No? Cheers. Parang siyang parang may tomato. Ano yung maasim? Tomato? May maasim eh. Savory na maasim. Wala na guys, bati na sila guys. Okay na sila, okay na sila. Ay, nag-away pa pala sila guys. Nag-away pa pala sila. Nag-away pa pala sila. Akala ko tapos na. Akala ko bati na. Ang saya? Anong bitulo ka? Di may kanyang example. Kita na ako po siya ah. Guys, pag umiiyak na siya guys. Nalasing siya guys. Nahubog yan? Nalasing pala guys. Sarap nito guys, cheers. Nakala ko peaceful night to eh. Palabot pa lang. Lumberjack fish daw. Nakanotice na din si Kuya Chef. Thank you, arigatou gozaimasu. Awa din siya kanina eh. Siya nag-aaway. Lumberjack fish daw yun, guys. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Para siyang ano guys, squid. Pero hindi. What is this? Catfish. Catfish daw, catfish. Cheers, cheers. Oh my god. Grabe ka soft. May bukog guys, mag-ingat kayo. May bukog. Makawal ng bukog eh. Mag-ingat kayo guys ha. Mabugan kayo. Wala na bang pusa dito guys para kalmutin yung ano nyo. Tutunlan. Hands guys, cheers, cheers, cheers. Sarap pa, uy. Guys, pula kayong babae guys. Grabe ka pula. Sobrang lasing. Hey, is it? Guys, abalone guys, or imupipi. Deconstructed imupipi. Deconstructed. Kainin natin itong parang dark spot muna. Cheers. Sarap siya pure. Parang livery. Livery yung kaning livery siya. Cheers, cheers, abalone. Para siyang ano? Tama. Ang thumbnail. Thumbnail. Minsan hindi maiwasan guys. Kasi sa Amerika na meron akong kaibigan, nagpunta kami ng bar. Tinurn away kami ng 3 bar kasi lasing na siya. Ewan ko kung same ba dito. Same ba din dito sa Japan. Kasi dun sa US, pag lasing ka na, i-turn away ka. Kasi ayaw nilang mag-disrupt eh, maka-disrupt. Grabe, ang dami pang dishes. Yoko na yung church. Joke lang. Ang dami pa palang dishes. Ha? Lagi. Abay to si Kuya yung. Kasi parang naging marriage counselor na din siya eh. Kasi itong nag-aaway na sa tabi ni Kiara. Chine-check palagi ng chef sa tapat namin. Salmon roe guys, salmon roe. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Paano ba ito kainin? May rice sa loob. Mm. Ano to? Tangerine? Lah, nag-aaway pa sila ulit guys. Round 3 na yan guys. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Nag-chismis to mga chef sa harap namin guys. Sa nag-aaway sa gilid. Nag-chismis mo to guys. Yeah! Nag-chismis na din kami guys. I don't even know what they're happy for. Is it her birthday? Go Ishi! Go Ishi! Medyo slimy siya guys. Wala. Umiyak na naman si ate guys. Guys, anuhin ko guys, i-research ko yung chismoso sa Japanese. Pakita ko sa kanya. Pakita ko yung word, Google Translate ko. Chismoso. Goshipuziku. Goshipuzuki. Goshipuzuki. Gossip. Goshipuzuki. Goshipuzuki. Ew. Oyster. Dili daw siya chismoso guys, iyang kauban daw. Cheers guys, cheers. Oh wow. Oh, that is good. Marinated, eh? This is good. Holy crap. This is good, guys. Guys, yung oyster, guys, parang tocino, guys. Parang matamis. Matamis yung oyster. Guys, kung makita nyo lang yung mukha niya, guys. Grabe, kapula. Pula pa nito, guys, ha. Pula pa sa katabi ko, guys. Parang ganyan yung kapula, guys. Yung mukha niya, guys. Guys, fake news pala, guys. 1 hour and a half pala yung experience. Sulit na sulit, guys. $60. Mga nasa $70 to $60. 1 hour and a half. Sobrang sulit. Tuna daw, guys. Tuna. Pinakamasarap yun. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Oh, wow. Oh. Birthday daw niya, guys. Birthday ko din, ah. Ha? Ako po. Gusto ko dagdan. Birthday ko rin, guys. Gusto ko marami. Happy birthday to you. Oh, you sit. I go there. Yeah. Birthday niya, guys. Birthday niya, guys. Sabi ko palit kami. Hey! Free sushi. Palit daw kami, guys. Ganda yung vibes dito, guys, kasi hindi masyado formal ba? Chill lang masyado. Para mga magbabarkada lang yung naluluto. Uni, guys, uni. Cheers, guys, cheers. Sabi nga sa seaweed. Sarap ng seaweed guys. Friends na sila guys kasi binigay yung uni guys. Miso soup guys, miso soup. Yan. Ibupin. Oh wow. Ah, sarap po eh. Tagos, tagos. Eel guys, eel. Eel. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Oh wow. Sobrang soft. Itlog guys, itlog. Tapos isang itlog no? Itlog na kaya. Cheers, cheers. May tuna siya guys na ano. Tuna tsaka rice tsaka onion. Nakarap. Hey! Cheers, cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cucumber daw guys. Very strong wasabi flavor. Very sweet too. Very strong wasabi flavor. It's my nose. Oh. Oh. Wasabi! Good. Ah. Good, good, good. Salon pass in nose. Guys, maglibak na tayo guys. Guys. Kakatapos na, first of all, bago natin nakalimutan, kakatapos na namin kumain ni Kiara sa Omakase, sa Sushi Tokyo 10. So, nabayaran namin lahat, 9,900. Hindi, ano ba, per person?
Per person.
99. So, nasa 127.92. So, nahulog na $63 lang kami ni Kiara each. Guys, sulit. Sulit masyado. Sulit siya, sulit. Siguro, ano yan Yar? Out of 10.
Actually, 9.
9. Kasi price point.
Kasi walang wagyu.
Price point. Hindi, ano lang talaga yun? Seafood lang yun eh. Seafood lang talaga. So, sulit siya guys. Sulit siya. Tapos, masaya yung chefs guys. Ano sila? Para silang bibo sila. Meron silang participation. Hindi katulad yung mga yung ibang omakase na na-try ko na yung chef hindi ka kinakausap, like gawa lang sila ng pagkain tapos ibibigay na lang sa harap mo, ganun yung level. Pero ito sila, kinakausap ka, tinatanong saan ka galing, ganun. Or saan ka, oh yeah, where you from? Saan ka galing? Yun. Guys, nalasing yung guys, katabi ni Kiara. Tapos nag-apologize siya kasi birthday daw niya guys. Tapos nag-away sila guys sa loob ng restaurant. Tapos umiyak yung babae. Pero yun na, hindi na ako magchichika kasi sobrang stressful yung situation ng babae. So yun. Pero guys, pro tip lang guys, pag pupunta kayo ng mga ganyan na places guys, huwag kayong uminom guys. Huwag kayong uminom beforehand. Especially pasobra kayo, lasing. Lasing. Sumuka pa siya guys. Alam mo, nanghingi siya ng maraming uni. Hindi niya inubos kasi birthday daw niya. Sabi niya, unigay shimash, uni mas. Sabi niya, maraming uni daw. Bigyan siya maraming uni kasi paborito niya kasi birthday niya. Guys, sumuka siya guys. Hindi niya inubos yung uni. Sinuka niya. Grabe. Kaya wag tularin guys, okay? Wag tularan. Kahit mayaman kayo guys, wag niyong tularan yun guys. Ha? Sobrang yaman nila guys. Grabe. Basta, yun na guys. Yun yung pro tip ko. Sige. Balik na kami sa hotel. Ito na yung last night namin. Mag-outro na ako. Again guys, salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Pagsama sa akin today. It's been a wonderful treat sa Japan trip natin. Last night na natin to. Ayan guys. Take care kayo and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye-bye. Ingat.